Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1969 Plymouth Roadrunner. Beautiful car, guys, finished in Tuxedo black. It's got the black vinyl interior. Killer car, man. This car was originally done. It had a body up restoration about 8 years ago. A buddy of mine, Mike, is the one that found me this car. Now, just 2017, there's about 20 grand put in this drivetrain. $10,000, almost $11,000 just in the engine. So there's about 8,000 miles on the total restoration. There's less than 700 miles on the drivetrain. Super straight car, beautiful paint. Car's got tons of eyes, as you can see when you walk around. It's got a killer look to it. It's got it's actually a 68 date coated 440 that's all built up. We've got all the build sheet on the engine, 500 horsepower. It does have the matching numbers, 4-speed manual trans in it, but then it's got an aftermarket. It's got a Currie a Dana 6354 sure grip rear end in it. Slick paint. There is a couple little things you can nitpick on this paint as you walk around, but very nice. And like I say, got a real good look to this car. And this is one of those cars that, man, it'll run. This aluminum headed big block that runs. Pretty paint on this car. Looks like that's the original rear glass. I see a couple little scratches in it. They're pretty doggone nice, man. Taillight bezels are real nice. Car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got both rear quarters have been replaced, and I believe the passenger side floorboard has also been replaced. You can see it's got the correct chrome tips, got Flowmaster dual exhaust. I'd say this is the original bumper. Those are Firestone radial red lines, so they are radials. See, it's got 15-inch chrome magnums all the way around it. Pretty paint. I mean, this paint is slick. Does have power front disc brakes. Because of the cam in it, they put a Pro Comp vacuum canister in it, so you got full brakes at all times. Like I say, 68 date coated 440 that's healthy, man. It's got Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads. It's got the comp cam. It's got a brand new set of TTI headers. I mean, those are $1,400 or something like that. It's got the MSD Digital 6AL box on it. Fender tag is underneath here, and I do have a picture of it. MSD Pro Billet distributor. You can see the aluminum radiator. It's got an external oil filter, so it's a lot easier to change the oil. Power front disc brakes with a line lock. There's a little button there on in there on the floor. This is nice. So you got full vacuum at all times. Like I say, it does have the matching numbers, 4-speed manual trans in it. Car's got a great sound to it, runs like a son of a gun. Pretty, pretty car. Like I say, there's a few little blemishes on the paint. I saw those. You can see on that A-pillar chrome is nice. I think that's a remote driver's mirror. Door handles look good. Doors are nice and clean at the bottom there. Factory bench seat car does have the Hurst Pistol Grip shifter in there. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. Headliner's nice. 8366. That's on a total resto. Like I said, 750 miles on it on the drivetrain that's in it. It was a tach dash. They're running, because of the digital 6AL, they're running aftermarket Pro Comp tach and gauges. He's got an external different the original light switch is bad, so he's put an aftermarket one in. That's your choke. It's got a manual choke on it. Again, it's got it's high dollar. I looked them up. I can't believe how expensive those rear ends are. It's got a Currie Dana rear end in it with a 354 sure grip. It's just a bug there, guys. It's got a factory jack with the spare. Again, there's your. It's got the receipts on the engine for sure is in there, and then there's some other stuff. I can't remember if the trans receipt in there. It's all hammer coated in the trunk. That's nice for rust prevention. Car drives out real good. I like it, man. And the car's got great sound to it. Of course, everybody's gonna like that 4-speed in there. Everybody likes to bang the gears. Seats are nice. There's your little line lock button. It hooks around the thing if you actually want to use it. You go ahead, Jordan, you can fire it up. A-pillar chrome's nice on it. Nasty little cam to it. Car just hits good, man. What's your turn signal switch? You have to rev it up a little bit or you're going to choke it out, Jordy. No, just keep your foot into it a little bit. It's loading up on you. There you go, yeah. Gauges work, tach works. Getting all your gauges down there. Oil temp, pressure, all that stuff works. Nasty little cam to it. That car just hits, man. I know the blower motor works. Does the radio? Can you turn it on? I can turn it on. No. Well, that car sounds mean, man. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Definitely keep track of our inventory hustle at our Facebook or our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Ooh, that's bad. Boy, that car is pretty. Like I say, I found a couple little blemishes in the paint, but man, this car is pretty, man. Pretty car. Have a great day, guys.